Today, we're exploring one of the most unique places to stay right in the heart of Friesland, the Alibi Hostel. Located in a former prison, this hostel offers a one-of-a-kind experience that blends rich history with modern comforts. In this video, we'll take you on a full tour of the hostel, from the cozy private cells to the vibrant communal spaces. We'll also check out the on-site cafe and bar, restaurants, and shopping that make Alibi a great place to meet fellow travelers. And we'll dive into the fascinating history behind this building. Whether you're a history buff, a budget traveler, or just looking for a cool place to crash in Leeuwarden, you're going to want to stick around for this one. Let's go check it out. The Blokhuispoort, originally a fort built in 1499, has a long history as a prison site dating back to the 16th century. While the current prison building was constructed in the 19th century, a small museum on the ground floor of the hostel showcases artifacts and images that offer a glimpse into the lives of prisoners over the centuries. It's your old friend. Yeah.
It's because you weren't allowed to touch the person. So then they would still want to shame the person standing there, which is why they then throw things at them.
In 1944, during World War II, Dutch resistance fighters executed a daring rescue operation at the Blokhuispoort. They successfully freed 51 prisoners, defying Nazi occupation forces and without firing a single shot. Inside the complex, you'll find a variety of shops held within cells, a barber shop, an art vending machine, and even a brewery.
Well, hi there, Mark.
We decided to have lunch at Proefverlof, an eatery with a stunning canal terrace, perfect for dining or renting a boat by the hour or day. Looking for the restroom? Just locate Marilyn Monroe's and Frank Sinatra's mugshots, of course. But that's just the beginning. If you're interested in history, don't miss the museum or take one of the tours offered in both Dutch and English. And for the active, bike rentals are available too. With lectures, workshops, and more, there's always something happening at Blokhuispoort.
Usually people are trying to break out, right?
For those looking to relax at the hostel, there are shared kitchens, seating areas, a TV room, games, a lending library, and a bar.
Great music, too.
So I'm having the Leeuwarden liqueur, so the local liquor. Wow, that's sweet. Very sweet and vanilla. Liquor 43 or something like that.
It's a nice little dessert drink.
For sure.
And I am having Say Glenfiddich 12-year-old quadruple pour. And she just kept pouring it. So
€5.
This is a put Marky to sleep pour.
That is amazing. That's €5. I love it.
€5 for this. Wow. Half a bottle of scotch.
He's getting nervous.
Why, hello there. Welcome to our cell.
We have a mirror. We do have a bookcase. 2 code books.
Yeah, we had a little issue sleeping last night. It was one of the warmest days of the summer last night. And we had a fan, so rooms are equipped with fans.
Now these drapes, we found out this morning, are not light blocking. They do soften the light quite a bit because they are black, but as you can see, that's the sort of light that comes in. The view is absolutely beautiful. There is a radiator in here which is adjustable. Over here as well is a thermostat for all season heat. This is the light switch here, which you just turn once or twice. You can also go all the way around if you feel like it. And there are plugs. There's 2 USBs in one. There's a European plug over by the side of the bed. There is a European plug. There's also 2 clip lights, gooseneck clip lights on both beds. And there's the other one. Beautiful barrel ceiling. You have a little seated area there.
In order to exit the room, all I gotta do is just...
And you'll hear it click and then out you go.
Yep.
And these doors, solid metal. You can't hear anything through them. The keyholes have been covered, so you still have privacy, and these have been welded shut, so you have privacy there too. No sound penetrates. There were families here. There were dogs, and
We didn't hear a thing.
didn't hear a thing.
Yeah.
Very quiet night. The beds also are very comfortable. They are covered with this sort of vinyl, and they give you all the bedding, including a bottom sheet, duvet cover, pillow, and towels. As many towels as you need. You can go to the office and get more. This configuration is 2 twins. They also have a double bedroom, and they have double bed with ensuite bathrooms too. And then they also have a cheaper option than this, which is a dormitory.
Every town has its stories, its secrets, and its places that defy the ordinary. Leeuwarden, quaint, unassuming city in the heart of the Netherlands, may seem like just another dot on the map, a place where life flows as steadily as the canals that wind through its streets. But even here, in this quiet corner of the world, you can find a place where walls have a history, and a night's stay becomes something more than just a rest between four walls. Alibi Hostel. Once, these walls were a part of the Blokhuispoort, formidable prison where men were kept for crimes committed and time served. But now, it's a place where travelers find themselves, not in confinement, but in an experience unlike any other. You see, Alibi is more than a hostel. It's a story. A story that you become a part of the moment you step inside. The cells where once there was no escape have been transformed into rooms where you can rest your head. And the bars that once held men back now simply hold the weight of memories long gone.